So today we're going to be looking at the course fill rate report for 2019 fall. We have a couple different ways to navigate. Down here on the very bottom, we can navigate to 3 different reports. The first report we look at has a very unique capability. You can drill down into various graphics to orientate ourselves to this report. This report was last run on July 11, 2019. The donut chart here shows us that we had 1,789 registrations, which represents 21% of the overall college's capacity. Down here, you get the actual numbers in nice little visual cards. When we actually look and select the donuts, the actual graph, it actually gives us a representation of the transfer department, the business, allied health, applied tech, and ACA. This is set up for scheduling, so ACA is kind of drawn out because everybody helps with ACA scheduling. When we hover over the actual graph, it can tell us that's the transfer department. There are 781 registrations, but what's particularly important is that it tells us there's 184 sections. And what we can do is up on the top right, we can go ahead and click the double arrow down, and it shows us all of the subjects: English, math, bio. Sorts it by how many are actually registered. So right now, English is beating everyone else out. If we go ahead and click on it again, it gives us the course, and finally the section, so we can see what sections are filled up the most pretty quickly, right in a row. The other convenient way we can look at this information, if we just want to look at subsections, we can actually drill into it. So if I click the drill button here, click on a graph, it gives us just the subjects, just English, and so now we see and it also tells us there's 21 sections in English. There are, 6 sections of English 112, and also the donut is representative, telling us that it's at 25% capacity for English, which is very nice. The next report is more detailed. This is orientated towards looking at the actual individual sections across time. So we can see July 4th, July 10th, and July 11th. And it tells us how many are registered for that class on each day and the capacity for each one of those classes. The nice thing about this, or the unique thing about this, we can actually click on various areas, and it'll actually tell us all of the courses that are associated with university transfer and their registration patterns, along with the count, total seats, and this is very nice for an overall view. The last report is just the overall college. The top line shows us the capacity up here. You see the capacity by date on the x-axis, June 6th, 13th, 20th, and then we see how many are actually registered. And right now we're at 21.62% full for July 11th, 2019 for the 2019 fall term.